Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and I want to show you these WeatherTech mud flaps we have installed here at the rear wheel well on our Ford F-150. Now, these are a no-drill mud flap kit. It goes into two existing holes right here on the side of the fender, and then one underneath. You just take out some of those plastic clips, and you're going to use the provided screws to attach it that way. Then there's also this quick turn little knob right here that just clamps this up against your fender and you're good to go. It's literally installed in minutes. Now again, this is a WeatherTech product. You may know WeatherTech from their laser fit floor liners, but they also make a whole suite of other products for your vehicle, including these mud flaps. Now these mud flaps carry with it everything the WeatherTech name means, including being designed, engineered, and made in the USA. This is a true made in USA product. A lot of their products are made right in their facility in Chicago. This also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you're gonna be protected from any of those manufacturing defects or anything like that. It's also just a high grade, high quality product that's gonna last you for a really long time. Now these are sold by the pair, so you're gonna get a pair for the driver's side and the passenger side. It's just gonna be for the rear, and then you can optionally also purchase the front mud flaps as well. Now if you're looking for these mud flaps or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com.